Hey everybody, thank you for clicking on this video. Before you watch this one, I would appreciate if you go check out the last videos. We are doing something for charity, a raffle. So I did a portrait of Chadwick Boseman, rest in peace to him, and I did a tribute to the Black Panther. So those are two different paintings that are being raffled off. You know, that money's going to charities that have to do with fighting cancer, things of that nature. So those are important paintings, and those end. The raffle ends October 18th, 2020, and the winners will be announced October 20th, 2020. Thank you for rocking with me, and hope you enjoy this video as well. Hey, what's up, everybody? Jay Legend, thank you for rocking with me. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit the alert bell, get all alerts. Like button, please. Like button is very important. Support the channel. Right now we're doing a pair of Cole Haan. These are designer sneakers. We're gonna lace these up for a big supporter of mine, my man T-Boo. Salute T-Boo. We know T-Boo, who been a big supporter of mine, also from my battle rap channel. If you're into battle rap, the link is in the description. Go check that out. Yeah, so he hit me up, said he wanted to put his personal logo on a pair of sneakers. We chopped it up about a pair of sneakers that might work for him. See, he really wanted something light, so we came across something light that also had enough space for us to be able to maneuver. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's see what's up. So we're gonna do the Cole Haans for my man T-Boo. See how they looking over here. Nice blank canvas. You know, it's a nice light sneaker. You know, especially if you leave it plain like this, you could wear this with jeans, or you could wear this with khakis. You could wear this, you know, you can do your thing with this. But we're gonna customize these. Nice and light though. They feel nice, like the cushion down here feels like it's comfortable. They really light. So that's just the first coat. We got the outline, as you guys saw. You know, we cleaned it off first. Make sure we got the factory finish off of it with the acetone. Then I went in there, lined it up. Then after that, I just laid down my first layer of white. This is probably gonna be 2 or 3 layers before we start adding in the black and the details of the design. I always said if I ever got a pair of these, I would have to buy 2 pairs, because I would need a pair just, you know, as casual, because this is a nice casual shoe sneaker, or sneaker shoe, however you want to look at it. So I would need one just for a casual night out, or, you know, if you ever see the reviews online, you will see people say that they wear these to the office and stuff like that. And I could feel how comfortable they are. And like I said, the leather's nice. They're just really, really light. You know, so, but like I said, I will have to get 2 pairs, because 1 pair, you know, I can do whatever art I want to do to it and really personalize it for me. And then the other pair, I could use it, you know, go on a job interview or go to work, or, you know, whatever it is you want to do. So all we did here was set up the label area on both the sneakers. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna give that a few coats of white, because then his name is going into that box. So you know, I like the placement. I felt like it came out real good where I placed it. But now it's time to fill it in, and from there on, man, we can start laying. Well, I'm gonna have to put about 3 coats of the white on that, and then we can start laying down our stencils to put the name in there. Got the name in there, and again, the logo. So now it's time to just get into the next sneaker. Make sure I get the next sneaker right, and then we could go up in there and touch a few things up and see where we at from there. So there you guys have it. So it was a mixture of Angelus leather paint and using the Posca acrylic paint markers. And before we get to the final shots of how everything look, I just want to remind you guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit all alerts. And if you need any sort of custom art for yourself, the information you need to contact me is in the description. Peace.